Alright guys, I'll show you what I mean by the seal. Still good. Clean it off here. And just another quick tip, always grease these before you put them on, before you put the hub back on, because these spindles will rust. A lot of times they won't get gear lube on the top here. Okay, let me clean this seal surface off. Yeah, a little bit of crap. Take a little piece of sandpaper or scuff pad. Finish cleaning any of the residual crap builds up inside the seal or outside the seal surface, actually. There. Okay, clean it up for what we're doing. We're just gonna check and make sure the seal, there's the seal. Want to make sure the surface is all good. No cuts, no low spots, no worn out spots. And this one looks good. You want your seal lip facing in. And as you can see, that seal seals nice and tight. What was causing this seal to leak was a looser than needed to be wheel bearing. Okay, let me go ahead and clean up the rest of this mess. I'm gonna have to get emergency brakes and replace these. So, okay, we got our work cut out for us. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt the rotor to the hub. Got all the bearings cleaned. They all look good. They all look good. That's the nut. As you can see, that's where the nut stop fits in the keyway, cuts into the little Teflon, stop it from spinning. It's a self-locking nut anyway. That's just kind of like a little safety. Clean your hub up real good. Down here you got to pretty much spray some WD on everything just as soon as you blow dry it, or the inside will start rusting right up. Okay guys, let's get over here and bolt this one back on. Alright, let me set y'all up here. Kind of in the zone. Okay. There's a lot of cutting and grinding going on right around this thing, so I want to make sure there's no crap in the way. Actually, down here. First thing you want to do is put your inner bearing in and your seal. Make sure your seal lip is pointing inward towards the bearing. See how it, I want to make sure that lip right there is down. And just tap it in easy. Flush all the way around. That's good. And I usually I'll put gear lube. I'll pour gear lube right in the crack right here and spin this inner bearing. Try to get lubed up real good. I got WD-40 on it now, so okay. Then you want to put your threader on, just like so. That's it. Put your bolts back in it. Actually, I've got to, I'm cleaning mine right now, so just put your bolts back in it, tighten it down real good, make sure you put some Loctite on it, because these had, these came out, they had oil all on them, so make sure you clean the oil off your bolts and Loctite them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Come back when I'm going to have to tighten that nut down with my screwdriver deal. Okay, thanks for watching.